Bavaria is different, often imitated, but never equaled. The country leaves its imprints on the way of life, forming people's perception. Nature, tradition, people. Living our traditions. Celebrating life. And embracing modern times. For us, this does not cause any conflict. As in Bavaria, these are the sources for inspiration. Our colors are blue and white. We are Himolla, Germany's only full-range manufacturer offering of upholstered furniture. Our strength is the ability to meet our customers' individual demands. Making customers' wishes come true is our profession. Ideas for people. The trends of tomorrow will prevail on the market. Above all, we rely on one thing: more than 6 decades of experience. We produce to order only. Customers' orders do not gather dust in a warehouse, armchairs, furniture suites, large corner groups. Choices are up to our customers, and the possibilities are enormous. All items, combined with about 200 different leathers and roughly 600 different fabrics, allow for an incredible 64 million variants, making our customers' dreams come true. We invested in state-of-the-art technology, allowing for economic production made in Germany. But even though this technology supports us in our ambition to keep production costs at a minimum, our production steps are still performed by hand. Our upholsterers have a knack for it, and their skills are on demand day after day. Quality is our most convincing selling point, and durability is our signature. Every item, a piece of experience with documented quality for customers worldwide. And what for? To make people as different as they may be enjoy relaxing in their sofa group or armchair day after day. Giving people the freedom of choice, choosing according to their personal demands and price ranges, and finding exactly what they have been looking for. There is more to life than just sitting or reclining. It is the things that happen in between which count. The many functions we equip our upholstered furniture with offer our customers more time for the real important things in life. Functions for the big and small things life is all about. Which means more time to live. More time to simply be yourself. Himolla, quality made in Germany.